Detailing or refinishing trucks, cars, and boats becomes a breeze even when working in tight spots. The Tango 360 Reciprocal Multitool strap has two sides of hook for loop pads or sandpaper to easily conform to your project. With the Davis connector, you can work in fixed position or free rotation for comfort and control, allowing uninterrupted workflow to keep you on track and on budget. Sand profiles in connected or disconnected mode, and so much more. Learn more and follow me at go.davistoolsystems.com.